Introducing Clericus CMS, a powerful Florida-based case maintenance system built for clerks of court. Developed specifically for Florida's clerks, Clericus CMS streamlines case management with an intuitive interface, robust integrations, and advanced automation tools. Clericus CMS supports every court case type: criminal, civil, traffic, probate, and more, all within a single, cohesive system. With integrated cashiering and finance tools, Clericus connects case processing directly to financial transactions for greater accuracy. Customizable security profiles and configurable imaging workflows keep your office compliant and efficient. Advanced document generation with built-in e-signature tools automates routine tasks and reduces turnaround time. Event scheduling, courtroom coordination, and real-time in-court processing keep operations running smoothly. With standardized API integration and specialized modules, including e-marriage licenses, parking tickets, and more, Clericus CMS adapts to every clerk's needs. E-filing, e-recording, Article 5 reporting, and full audit tracking ensure compliance at every step. Clericus CMS. Efficient, transparent, and reliable, designed for today and built for tomorrow.